In today's video, I'll teach you how to deactivate Instagram Lite account. So if you want to deactivate your Instagram Lite account, what you have to do is simply deactivate your Instagram account. There is no such thing called deactivating the Instagram Lite account. Basically, you're just using the Instagram account in the Lite version. So if you want to deactivate your account, what you have to do is simply deactivate your Instagram account. You'll not be able to deactivate your account via the application. So what you have to do is open the Instagram in browser. For that, launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in instagram.com. After you do that, make sure you're logged into your account. At left, you'll be able to find various options over here. At last, you'll be able to find the option for more. What you have to do is click on it. Now, after you do that, you'll be able to find the options like settings, your activities, saved, etc. Click on the option settings. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various settings over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for account center. Click on it. Now you'll be led to the account center interface. You'll be able to see all the profiles over here. In the account settings section, you'll be able to find the options like password and security, personal details, etc. Click on the second option, personal details. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the personal details interface. You'll be able to find the options like contact info, birthday, identity confirmation, account ownership and control. Click on the last option, account ownership and control. Now you'll be led to the account ownership and control interface. You'll be able to find three specific options over here: memorialization, deactivation or deletion, reactivation. Click on this option, deactivation or deletion. Now once you do that, you'll have to select the account that you want to deactivate. Simply select the Instagram account that you want to deactivate. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: deactivate account, delete account. If you want to delete the account, what you have to do is simply click on this option, delete account. But if you only want to deactivate the account, click on this option, deactivate account, and click on this option, continue. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll have to enter your password in order to continue. Click on the field of password. Now enter the password over here. Click on this option, continue. Now you'll have to specify the reason. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the option of your choice. After you do that, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Simply click on this option, continue. Now you'll have to confirm the temporary account deactivation. Simply click on this option, deactivate account. Now you can see over here, your account will be deactivated. So like this, you'll be able to deactivate your account. So that is how you deactivate Instagram Lite account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.